as you can see, they just flooded us. They flooded us. We were up 5-4, and well, it was 5-5. They just flooded me. As you can see, I'm gonna get flooded. Watch. The first map they were late. The second map they won, and now they just flooded me. The third map. Watch, I got flooded. As you can see, my teammate is still playing in Adrenaline. They're still playing on Express, but I can't join. They flooded me, and this was third map. It was just going into overtime. They flooded me, and I was the host.
Wait, what? You didn't tell her? Leave it alone, Jake.
See? It says they're still playing on Express. This is how I know I'm getting flooded. But I was the host.
There's nothing to worry about.
See, Adrenaline, that's third map.
You lied to get her out of town, too?
And any second now, I'm going to go offline.
She has a right to know. She is the one that
Yep.
wants.
They hit me offline.
Victoria? Our position.
Now I'm going to try
Try to protect you.
signing back in. Oh, there's the code. Flooded.
Okay, we're gonna talk about
They flooded me on third map.
You.
They're 26-3, I believe, their record.
I have nothing to say.
Oh, now I'm
I
on.
have time. Hold on.
They hit me with a mini flood. They did flood me.
Go.